Okay guys, just like any other case, there's no perfect case, and there was one person that placed in a comment that these hinge protectors can actually scratch your actual hinge, no? So let's just remove this first. So thankfully, mine doesn't have major scratches yet, but you can actually see here that there are some minor scratches that came out already. No, I'm really thankful that the guy pointed this out, and it's because if you look at this hinge, it actually is plastic. When it rubs against the actual hinge, it starts scratching it a little bit. No, so I thought of a solution, and I got like micro pore tape. This is like that first aid tape. It's like 80 pesos, so it's very cheap. You might have some lying around the house. And I specifically got this tape because this is like cloth. So if it's rubbing against this, technically it's like it's almost cleaning it already, no? So what I plan on doing is I plan on placing it here in the back of the hinge protector. Unfortunately for this hinge protector case, this one is like screwed in, so I can't really take it out. No, for the ones that just flap over, this one would be an easy fix. You would just like flip it and then place it there. No, so let's give this a try.
A few moments later.
All right, so there you go. No, so with this, the plastic shouldn't rub anymore. No, because it's going to be rubbing on the microfiber, on the micropore tape, and it should be that simple. No, hopefully with this, so just try to check if it's like rubbing too much. That's actually why I had like that tissue paper. I just placed it through. I just wanted to see if the case would actually work properly. Alright, so there you go. So with this, it shouldn't rub directly on the plastic. So once again, this should be able to work with the other hinge protector cases. If there are some hinge protector cases there that already have like some sort of felt covering on top of the hinge cover, please let me know, so at least we can share this with other people in the community. Okay, so thanks guys, appreciate it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, so at least you can get updated on like my other videos. All right, bye, thanks.